Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to share with you how to remove image background. It's very simple to do that. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google. And hey, if you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and join us. We create videos every week, create videos about personal finance, and also different ways that you can succeed online through online jobs, online opportunities that you can create an extra income. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Google and then search for background remover. Then come and select this. This is a free method. You don't have to pay anything. Select remove.bg. Okay, then upload the image that you want to remove. Background, let me choose that. And once that is done, just download it. And here is our image, no background. So you can use this. You can use such an image when you're doing maybe Photoshop, or when you're creating a logo. You can actually paste this in a logo. For example, let me just quickly show you. Now, if I want to use that image, then I will go to upload media. Then I choose this. So if I want it to appear in the entire logo, within the entire logo as a background, I can just simply do that and then change the colors. So make sure that you put colors that will be visible. The same way, if I want this to appear on one side, I'll just drag it there, and here we go. So that's it, guys. It's very simple. Within a few seconds we were able to remove an image background. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.